Alright, that's not going nowhere. Kind of cut my hand up a little bit. Alright, and then so for the next one, it shouldn't be that hard. What was that? Should be the same thing, except a little bit easier because there's no metal behind it, so it should just go in a lot easier. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Let me hold it here. Come on. Are you even going through, bud? Yep, it's working. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Oh, yeah. Oh, I am a genius. Alright. It's in. It's fine. Everything's fine. Then same thing. Bolt, nut. Then you're just gonna screw it in the back. This one should be a lot easier just because, you know, I'm gonna say should be, but knowing my luck, it's not going to be. Just kidding, I got this. Oh, are you kidding me? It's not the right size. Alright, let me try this one. What? Wow, that's fake news. Alright, well, let me try, Ow! Stabbed myself. Okay. This one works. Put that in there. And then get the 10mm socket. Yikes. That's gonna be a big fail. Ow. Okay. Have enough space. Like that. Perfect. Alright, and then you kind of just like clip your bumper back in place. Come on. There you go. And then after that, you know, you just put your fender liner back. Just push it back there like that. And like, come on, silly Honda. Not to pry it with. There we go. There we go. Alright, so after you installed this, and then you put the band on just to make it secure, like that. Perfect. And then you're just gonna, yep, this drill is completely dead. So then you're just gonna, where did that drill bit go? Always losing tools. Oh, there it is. Here it is. That. Screw there. And you're just gonna screw it back in. Oh. Perfect. And the other screw goes up here. right, and there we go. Perfect.